Amon Wallet app: the pros, the cons. The Amon Wallet app isn't just another crypto storage solution, it's a bridge between your digital assets and real-world spending. But does it deliver on its promise of being both smart and secure? Let's explore the pros and cons. First, the pros. Amon Wallet gained attention for its AI-powered portfolio management system. The app uses artificial intelligence to analyze your crypto holdings and suggest ways to optimize performance. It's like having a personal financial advisor in your pocket, but for blockchain assets. Another key advantage is real-world usability. Amon partnered with Visa to allow crypto spending through debit cards. That means you can convert crypto into fiat instantly and use it anywhere Visa is accepted. Most people get this wrong, but this isn't just a simple exchange, it's a real-time conversion system, so your funds stay in crypto until the moment you make a purchase. Amon also supports multiple cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and various ERC20 tokens. The interface is simple, making it beginner-friendly, while still offering detailed analytics for advanced users. On the security side, Amon is non-custodial, giving users full control of their private keys. Transactions are encrypted, and the app has strong compliance measures to meet financial regulations in several regions. Now for the cons. Amon Wallet's Visa card services are not available in every country, which limits accessibility for many users. Also, while the AI suggestions are impressive, they depend on market data accuracy, meaning performance can vary during volatile conditions. Another minor drawback is that Amon isn't as deeply integrated with DeFi or NFT ecosystems compared to competitors like MetaMask or Trust Wallet. It's more focused on crypto finance and spending rather than OOP activities. In conclusion, the Amon Wallet app offers a refreshing blend of intelligence and practicality. It's perfect for users who want to spend their crypto easily while managing their investments smartly. While it's not the most advanced DeFi wallet, its focus on real-world application makes it one of the most forward-thinking options in the market today.